Welcome to this session. And in this session, I'm going to talk about inheritance. Inheritance is one of the very important topic in core Java, right? Everywhere you need inheritance. So inheritance, I'm not going to teach you fast. I will go slowly, so that you can understand it. But my humble request to you is during this, explanation of the inheritance, if you have any question, query here and there, please feel free to discuss in between. Got it?
Mhm.
Yes, sir.
Please try to understand one of the requirement. One day who came to me, like Ellen came to me. He said, "Sir, can you design dog for me?" I said, "Yes." So he said, "I need a dog which name is Tommy Tail One, right? And my dog should run and walk." Ellen, that's correct.
Yes. Yes, sir.
So this template, right? The first template which we have, which is going to solve your purpose. Name is Tommy, tail is one. Method behavior is run and walk, right? Okay, so as long as Alan has this requirement, he was very happy because I'm able to help him, right?
Yes, sir.
And one day he came to me. He said, "Sir, whatever dog you have that can only run and walk, I want you should add one more feature for my dog." He said, "My dog should also bark." Alan,
Yes.
your requirement is you want your dog should also bark, right? Instead
Yes,
of
sir.
run and walk. So actually, this template is not only used by Ellen. This template is used by other customer also. So I need to satisfy the requirement of Ellen, and I have to also make happy my other customer, right?
Yes.
So first solution of the problem is what I can do is a new method I can add in the existing template. That is the one solution, Ellen. But if I add a new method in the existing template, then what is the problem? If you add this new method in the existing template, right? So you know what problem is? Ellen need only this behavior, not my old customer. Ellen, if I
Yes.
directly add this bark method in my dog, what happen? My other customer who is using dog, right? They also will get this bark feature, which I don't want.
Oh, yeah.
This
Yes.
feature only
For me,
required by Alien, not
Ellen.
anybody else. So adding this method in this, adding this behavior in this dog existing class is right solution? No.
No.
I'm telling you, there is a design principle that is called open and close principle. Class should be always closed for the modification and it should be always open for the extension. What I'm saying, once your template is launched in the market, later you cannot change the definition of it. You cannot modify it. Only you can extend it. Got a point? So who will tell me why adding this behavior in the existing class is not good solution? Ellen. Because
Yes.
if you add it, other people who does not need this behavior, they will get it free of cost, which you don't want, right?
Yes, sir.
So adding new behavior inside existing template is good solution or bad solution?
Good. Best solution.
Bad solution, right? Bad,
Yes, sir.
bad. So second solution is what you can do is, Ellen, you can create a new
Yes.
class, right?
Okay.
Bark dog, and in that you copy everything, name, tell, run, walk, right? Copy everything and add existing behavior, add new behavior into it, right? So
Yes.
this will solve your purpose. Ellen can use this bark dog class and other people can use dog. Solved. What is the benefit of it? If somebody wants only run and walk, he can use
We
it.
can
The
get
somebody
one on one.
wants bark, run, walk, they can use
We
this
can
template.
add that one too. Yes.
But second solution is creating a new class. But this solution is still not good. Why? Because in this solution, you are duplicating the code. Can you see this? Whatever we have, suppose this is 5,000 lines of code. 5,000 of code you are duplicating or not? Redundant.
Yes.
Ellen.
Yes,
This
sir.
second solution is also not good. Creating a new class and adding a new behavior into it. Do you think it's
Okay.
correct, good solution?
No.
No. So guys, do you understand? In order to add the new behavior that is bark, first and second solution is not acceptable. Got it?
Yes.
Yes.
So base solution of this situation is called inheritance. What? Inheritance. So in order to solve the same problem, we can use the concept of Inheritance. In inheritance, what we need to do? In inheritance, you can create a new class. Hey, Ellen, you
Yes.
see what I'm doing here? I'm
I see,
creating a
sir.
new class, extends
Okay.
dog. When you do extend dog, everything in the dog which is there, it will be copied into its subclass. See, when you say class, bug dog, extend dog. So everything will be logically copied into it, not physically. So
Okay.
if you see in bug dog, whatever we have in dog, right? Everything is copied logically, not physically. So now bug dog has how many method, Ellen? Three method.
Three method.
One is bark and two is coming from the parent, like
Yes.
run and walk. Oh my God, which one is the best solution? First, second, third.
First.
This one, I
Third is
think.
the third one is the best solution because
Why?
Extends.
in this extend one, because here you are using the code but you are not making duplicate, right?
Uh-huh.
You are logically copying it, not physically.
Okay.
This is called inheritance. So in Java, you use inheritance with the help of which keyword? Extends.
Extends.
So
Extends.
here we have two class. One is called parent class, that is dog. Dog is the parent class. And second class we have bark dog, right? This is the subclass. I don't know you got this much or not. Bark dog.
Yes.
Ellen, this is called superclass, right?
Yes.
And
Why?
and this is called subclass. Please remember it.
Okay.
So, who is inheriting whom? Subclass inherits what?
Superclass.
Attribute and behavior of superclass. Vice versa is
Process.
not subclass. Can you help
That's
me?
last. Mm-hmm.
Inherits what?
Yeah.
Attributes
Confused.
Class.
and behavior of superclass. I don't know you got this much or not. Hello.
Yeah, I got
So
that one.
inheritance is a mechanism which allows subclass to inherit attribute and behavior of superclass. And in Java, how achieve inheritance? In Java,
Using the word
we
extends.
implements or we achieve, right? What we achieve? Inheritance. Please help
Inheritance.
me. In Java, you achieve inheritance.
Yes.
Can you help me? In Java, we achieve inheritance using which keyword? Using extends keyword.
Extends. Extends keywords.
Please remember it. So what is the inheritance? Inheritance is the mechanism which allows subclass to inherit attribute and behavior of the superclass. And this is the first, third point about it is it allows reusability of the code. It allows reusability of the code. Yes, See,
Mm-hmm.
whatever code we have in the dog class, I'm able to use in bug dog. I don't know. This much is inheritance is clear definition and all, or you have little bit confusion. See,
It's
guys,
clear up to now.
actually you should know the reason behind it. Why we need inheritance, right? Why we need inheritance. Clear?
Yes.
Fine. The inheritance is one of the pillar of the OOPS concept in core Java. OOPS concept. Why we need inheritance? Because I like it? No. It allows reusability of the code, right?
Right.
Subclass can use all the attribute and behavior of the superclass because of inheritance. So inheritance is one of the very cool feature of the core Java. If you got this much, I can move ahead.
It's clear up to now.
Anybody is there who does not understand
And
this much? We have to
so
see
you
a
say
lot of
eventually attention
permutation
of
and combination. You're saying something? We have to see a lot of permutation and combination of inheritance, right? So, guys, you have to be smart, right? Let me
yes.
make another pin diagram for it. This is my superclass and this is my subclass.
Okay.
This is right. I don't know. You guys understand this much or not? Are you got super duper confused?
Yes.
No confusion?
No.
No.
I have a
You
question.
know. but I don't have question.
Can you inherit from a subclass? Like, can you create another
No, no, no,
subclass
no,
under the
no, no.
subclass?
Yeah, 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 yeah. In our parent-child relationship, there is a parent, right? Then child, then
Yeah.
grandson, right? So there is
Okay.
n number of level you can achieve it.
Okay.
Not a problem.
Okay. Thank you.
So this is called superclass, and this is called, see, subclass only can inherit the superclass, right? But vice versa is not true. What? It is only unidirectional. Hey, Ellen, what I said?
You need to do it.
Inheritance. You tell me, parent inherit the behavior of the child or child inherit the behavior of the parent in real life?
Wait, wait, what do you say?
And
Child
Real
inherits.
life in parent and child, who inherits whom behavior? Like child
The
inherits
child
parent
inherits
behavior.
parent. Yes.
Yeah, nobody can say, oh my God, I got this picture from my child. People will kill you. No, not possible, sir. Don't say like this. Inheritance is
Directional.
unidirectional. Yeah. Only feature will move from parent to child or child to parent. Any guess?
parent to child.
This is very simple to remember or not? Some,
Hmm.
Mhm.
right? Normally you say, hey, I got this from my parent,
Okay.
right? My
Right.
parents were very talented. That's why I'm very talented. You
Okay.
cannot say my child is very talented. That's why I'm. No. Okay, that's clear. So, guys, I'm just going to write a third class and main method in that class.
Okay.
Wow, right? So, in this total, how many classes we have? Three class: dog, bark dog, and wow, right? And here
Right.
I'm just writing public static void main.
One name.
And here I'm just writing string args, right? Array.
Mhm.
Like here, I'm just making an object of dog, right? D new dog. You know it, right? Default constructor.
Yes.
So
Yeah.
here you can call d dot run and you can call d dot walk. Clear? Because this dog has only two features. This dog cannot bark. But if I may make an object of bark dog. Oh, bd
Mhm.
new bark dog. Ellen.
Yes.
Now, if you make the if you sorry bark dog bd dot, right? You can call bark. Can you see this? Where it will go? First of all, for definition, always it goes to the right side. Okay, guys, remember a formula. Hey Ellen, the way I'm teaching you, if you go in that way, you can answer all the questions. So if you want to call a method, what will be the formula? Ellen, come with me.
Yes, sir.
Formula is whether you can call method on BD or not. Go and check in the left side. So bark is present in the bark dog or not? Go and check it. Hey bark, are you in the bark dog class? Yeah. Are you following me? So
Yes, sir.
on any reference variable, you can call a method or not. Who will decide? Left side or right side? Left side always.
That's right.
Actual definition, you can check in the right side. So definition of the method will come from the right side. Remember it. This is Mr. Nagendra, philosophy or trick, right? You will not get
Right.
anywhere. This is my trick. Definition will come from
Right hand side.
right side. Yeah. And I'll tell you, just remember this formula. This formula will help you to solve all the questions, right? Here it will not help you much, but later it is. So left side what decide? Left side will decide what, man? Left side will decide we can call a method or not. We can call method or not. So let's apply this formula, sir. How? See, if you want to call a bark, right? You will see left side or right side. First of all, you will check the left side. Hey, bark dog, do you have bark? Yeah, you can call it. But definition will come from the right side, right? Here, left side and right side are both are same. That is different thing. Okay. What about other method, Ellen? On
Yes.
BD, can we call run? See my style.
Yes.
First of all, you can call the run or not. You check in the BD. BD means bark dog. Hey, bark dog, do you have run method? It is saying no. Go and talk to my papa. So you will
Right.
go and check in the dog. Hey, dog, do you have run? Yeah. Now, if you want to call the run method definition, again you will go in same way, right? Bagdog, hey Bagdog, do you have run method definition? It's saying no, no, no. Talk to my papa, dog. Dog is saying yeah, I have definition. So what it is going to print over here? Dog,
The
hey
first
Ellen,
one.
dog runs. Make sense?
Yes.
Similarly, can we call the method bd dot walk?
Fuck.
This is clear? Are you guys confused?
It is clear up to now.
My dear friends, go and do the practice 10 times if you want to be my student, right? I'm telling you, if you do it, you can do anything. Let me teach you another important and last concept of the today. Oh, see, uh, I hope so far no confusion. Ellen,
Mhm.
Yes,
dog,
sir.
be new dog. Like here, the inheritance, there is a rule which you have to remember. What rule is? Superclass reference. Superclass reference can hold an instance of subclass. That you have to understand. Ellen, this theorem we have to understand.
Okay.
This rule we have to understand. Superclass reference can hold an instance of subclass, right? So
Mm-hmm.
this rule is only applicable in inheritance because in only inheritance we have concept of superclass and subclass. You know it, right? Yeah.
Okay.
So what I'm saying here, D is dog D. D is a reference of dog and holding an object of dog, right? But
Mhm.
later,
Alright.
same D can hold address of subclass object as well. In that, you can pass an object of bug dog. Ellen, this you have to
Yes.
remember. Oh
Okay.
my God, new thing. Right side, we are creating object of what?
The
Dog.
Subclass.
subclass.
Subclass, right? So let me write it. Creating instance of.
Class.
Why I'm doing it, I'll teach you in next session. Okay? Why? Creating instance of subclass,
Class.
right? And right left side, what you have? Left side, you have reference of superclass. Can you see this?
Mm-hmm.
D is a
Yes.
reference of which class? I am confused. What I'm saying is, D is a reference of which class? D is reference
Dog.
of
Yes.
type dog class. D is a reference of type dog. Clear? So you see, D can hold a reference of dog as well as subclass also. Ellen, this is the
Yes.
rule that we should remember it.
Okay.
Okay.
Now, why this rule I am teaching you, right? This I will teach you in next class. But
Okay.
this you should remember. Nagin said, superclass reference can hold an object of subclass. Got it?
Yes.
So we use the same variable D in both
Yeah, same reference. D I can hold an object here. This D is pointing to dog, but here D is now pointing to
bark.
bark dog. Remember
Ah,
it. So when you assign object of bark dog into D, D will lost dog. This D is no more pointing to dog. It is pointing to bark
Oh,
dog object, right?
oh,
So
so
what will happen in this
one,
case? This when superclass point an object of subclass, this is called upcasting. What? This is called upcasting. What is upcasting? In upcasting, superclass reference variable hold an object of
subclass.
subclass. This is called upcasting, right? So here, he again come to my formula, right? Here
Yes.
D, like here, even though superclass is pointing to object of subclass, right? Why? I will teach you in next session. Here, can I call the method run? Ellen, come with my formula. What my formula says? My formula says if you can call the method or not. See in the left side, D means dog. Hey dog, do you have run method? Can I call? It is saying yeah, you can, right? But
Yes.
definition will come from the right side. In order to see the definition of the run, you will go to the left side or right side? Right side go. So in order to call the definition of the run, I will go in the Baghdad. I would say, hey Baghdad, do you have definition of run? Bark dog is saying, I don't. Go and talk to my papa dog.
Okay.
Helen. Papa means dad, parent. Okay.
Mhm.
So in order to see the definition of the run, I will go in the right side, right? Here, hey, bark dog, do you have definition of the run? No, no, no. Talk to my papa dog. When I go to dog, dog is saying I have definition of it. What it will print? Helen,
Yes.
it will print. It will print dog
Dog runs.
Dog.
runs.
Run.
Dog runs. Dog runs. I don't know. You got it or no? Yeah, I got it.
Got it.
What about hey? If I call d dot bark, this will be true or not? Ellen, come with my formula. My formula says if you want to call d dot bark, go and check in the dog. In dog, do you have bark method or not? So
No.
so I'm going to the left side first. Hey, my dog, I have bark. In dog, answer is no.
No.
So
Oh,
even though it is right side definition is there, but first of all, left side will decide whether you can call it or not. So this is not possible. This is not possible. Why? Why,
uh-huh.
Ellen? This is not possible. Why? Since bark, sorry, dog, hey, class
Yes.
does not contain what?
Bark.
Bark method. You got it as per
Yes.
my formula?
Yes.
I don't know,
Uh-huh.
guys. This is my next slide. Okay. I don't know. You got this much or not? Say yes, you know.
Yes. You got it.
So guys,
I got a
I'm
bit confused.
I'm
Uh,
confused too.
um,
Okay. So guys,
so
instead of I'm
yeah.
not going to teach you anything new. You have let's digest this much. First of
Okay.
all, I'm coming to my first slide. See my first slide? We have dog and we have bark dog, right? So here you see in the both side we have dog D and new dog. So with D I can call run method. What is the formula? Who said I'm confused? What's your name?
Nima. NGRMA.
Nima, can you come with me? Come with me.
Yeah. Yeah.
Like here, what is the formula to call the run method? Formula is
D dot run.
you can see in the left side whether run is there in the left side dog or not. In dog, run is there. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes.
Definition will come from the right side. You will look in the right side. Hey dog. In this situation, left side and right side both are same. Dog, dog. Right. So
Yeah.
definition will come from the right side, which is run. It will say dog runs. It's clear to you.
Yes.
Similarly, we have bark dog. Right. So
Yeah.
here, when you say BD dot bark, BD, bark dog, bark
Yeah.
dog, bark you will see in the bark dog. It is there, right?
Yeah.
You can call it. But definition
Yeah.
will come from the right side. You go to the new bark dog and say, hey, do you have definition of the bark? It's saying yes, right?
Yeah.
Run and walk similarly.
Yeah.
Next slide is little bit different. What? Dog, new dog. No confusion at all, right? But
Yeah.
here,
Not
what is
wrong.
the rule? Superclass reference can hold an instance of subclass. Nima. So
Okay.
see, we have D, which is superclass reference. And in this, I am assigning new instance of bark dog. In this situation, we can call again D dot run. So formula, Nima, you will
Yeah.
go and see in the D means dog.
Yeah.
Hey, do you have
Dog.
run method? Yeah, you can call it. But definition will come from the bark dog, right? Hey, bark dog, do you have definition of the run? It is saying no, I'm sorry, I don't have definition of the run. Talk to my papa
Parent.
dog.
Uh,
Dog is saying, yeah, I do have definition of run.
on.
But what about the bark? When you say D dot bark, Nima, D dot bark,
Yeah.
you will
There's
check the
there's not
bark is
in dog.
present in dog or not. No, it is not. So you can't call
No.
this method. This is not possible since dog class does not contain bark method.
Okay.
Nima,
Uh-huh.
it's clear to you now?
This is
Your
clear.
question should be again, why you are teaching me this confusing topic? I'm sorry.
Yeah. Yeah. I
Okay.
was about to
Answer
ask
of this
what's the.
question, answer of this question, I will give you on Monday. But
Okay.
Okay.
before when you come to the Monday, you can say again, I know this much. Okay. So I'm going
Awesome.
to teach you one of the small thing and I'll make you free. So I need your
Hey,
2 or
Nogin.
3
All right.
minutes more.
Hey, Nogin, quick question, man.
Go ahead.
So, after you create the object of object D of new bark dog,
Mhm.
it won't be yeah, so the object of the dog class D. I mean, it's kind of confusing.
Lost.
So,
That is lost.
no,
Don't
no,
say confusing. Why are you saying confusing? Try to understand the concept. Okay.
no. I'm telling you, after you create the object of new bark dog, the D doesn't hold anything of the class dog. It is no longer an object of class dog, right?
Exactly. It is holding just object of bark dog. I said already at this
Yeah.
point.
So yeah. Okay. All right. All right.
This dog is
Yeah.
eligible for garbage
So
collector. You tell
so
me,
since it's a
when people die,
new object of what?
when people die, where they go normally?
They go up in the sky, man.
Oh, knows,
Thank you.
man.
Nobody knows.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm just kidding.
Mm.
Here, new dog, when you assign new bark dog, this dog will die. In Java terminology, it is eligible for garbage collection and your memory will be reclaimed free.
So if you don't extend the if the back dog doesn't extend the class dog,
Then you can't
you
do
can't
that.
you
Then
can't
you,
do that. Yeah. Right. Yeah. Yeah.
oh
All
man,
right.
see the rule. Superclass. Superclass means we must have inheritance in this.
Mhm.
Yep.
Superclass means inheritance.
Mm-hmm.
Superclass means the inheritance, right?
Yeah.
Superclass reference and can hold an instance of subclass, right? Done.
Mhm.
So guys, this is clear to you?
One more question again. What is the advantage of doing this?
Oh man, you forget my formula. I told you I'll teach you on Monday this, right? Not
Oh,
today.
okay, okay. All right, man.
I can I
Okay,
ask a question too?
please.
So since we're like the D is like forgetting everything with the dog class and like taking everything from the bark dog class. Why can't
Really?
it work? Because it's taking everything from the bark dog class.
Oh man, don't try to understand why I'm teaching you this, right? Try to understand only the rule, right? Reason you will come to know Monday, right?
Okay, okay.
I told you don't ask this question, right? 2 plus 2, why 4, right? No, no. Got it? Your question should be, hey, why you are teaching me this confusing topic? What I said?
Okay, thank
You'll
you.
come to know on Monday. Just be curious, okay? Oh, he was
Yeah.
teaching me this. And when I asked the question, he said he will tell me Monday, right? I want this curiosity should be there, right? Okay. Last thing which I'm going to teach you is people. So in this, I'm going to just make a small twist. What? Small twist. So, hey, this is my third slide, okay? Guys. Hey, this is clear, right? Oh, Mr.
Yes, so far.
D is a what type? Govinda and other people. Nima, tell me D, what is the type of the D?
Sorry, what was that?
What is, hey, please listen in one shot, okay? I said, what is the type of the D? Type.
Which is reference
Type of the
type.
D is, yeah, D is a type of
Class
dog.
dog.
Dog. D is a type of class dog. What is the type of
Class
the
dog.
D? Dog, right?
Dog class.
And this
Yeah.
D is pointing to which object? Class object.
Back
Say
dog.
yes.
Dog. Yeah. Yes.
Yeah. No confusion. Right? So, if this is the situation, superclass reference is holding an object of subclass. In that situation, this D, you can downcast it. Why? But D is holding the object of
Bark dog.
bark dog. Then you can typecast it. Typecast is an operator. You use two parentheses, right? D, then two parentheses, and name of the subclass. And here you have to make the reference of bark
Bark
dog,
dog.
BD, right? Oh man, hey, what is the
Yes.
twist? What is the twist? What is the twist? You see what I did? I took this
Can you
D.
repeat that last line? Sorry. What did you?
Important. Like here, this D is pointing to bark dog, right? If this situation is, then I can take this D, right? And use this parenthesis. And here I can write the name of the subclass, right? So D, I'm able to type downcast into bark dog. So this reference, which is dog, is typecast into bark dog, and I'm holding in a variable BD, which is bark dog, which is bark dog. Make sense? This is called
Okay.
downcasting. What this is called?
Downcasting.
Downcasting. So downcasting is only possible when upcasting is there. Without upcasting, downcasting is
Not possible.
possible. So what is downcasting? You got it or you got confused? Let me tell you, downcasting is here. Downcasting here. What I did, again I'm repeating it. Here we have D is type of D, right? Dog.
Dog.
And D is, if D is holding the reference of bark dog, only then you can do it. What is that? If D is holding the reference of bark dog, then D, right, can be downcast into bark dog type reference. So when you downcast it, you have to create the reference variable of bark dog left side with any
Okay.
name, right? Now you are free to call. After this, I can say BD dot bark.
Run. Or
Run you can do. Yeah, possible. Run is also possible, right? A after downcasting, what I'm able to do it? A
BD dot bark,
after
BD dot run.
after yeah,
Run
you
and
see the
walk.
formula, right? Again, you say
Yes.
BD means bark. Hey BD, can I call bark? You will go and check in the bark dog. Hey bark dog, do you have bark? Yeah. Definition will come from the right side, right? That
Right
is
side.
new bark dog. Simple. So guys, upcasting, downcasting is clear or not? Your question is why you are teaching me? Why you are teaching me? What is the benefit of it? I will discuss about it on
I
Monday.
Monday.
have one question. How did we define the BD in the third last line? Like the
Here
backdrop BD equals
you
to.
can, yeah, this is a reference variable and BD could be anything, any name you can give. You can give name Nima, right? Not a problem.
Mhm.
Yeah.
Here
Yeah, I
D,
got confused with the other BD
no,
from
don't
before.
confuse with that. No. Like here, I'm just writing Bagda, right? And if you are typecasting into Bagda, right? So you have to create a variable of bark dog. Am I right? I mean, here you can write
Mhm.
anything. You can write Nagin, no problem. Hmm? Sorry, man. Bark dog, Nagin. Hey, what I'm typecasting, man? Bark dog.
Oh.
Hmm.
D.
See, D is pointing to subclass bark dog. Then D I can downcast into bark dog. If this situation is there, right? Now, with the help of Nagin, what you can call, man? You can call walk. No? Tell me.
Mm-hmm.
You can call
Run.
Yeah.
run and you can call bark as well.
Okay.
I hope you guys understand this much concept. If you know
Yes,
this
sir.
much, I'm telling you, in inheritance, you will not have any issue at all. If you know this much and my formula, my job is done. So how many slides we have done today? Only 3 slides,
Three
Only.
right?
What
slides.
formula?
Whatever I have discussed so far, concept, right?
Oh, okay.
How you can predict the output. If you know that much concept, you can do anything in the inheritance. Please note down this. So this concept, I want you must not forget it. I think this is enough for today. Just stopping my session here. In next session, we'll talk about why I'm teaching you upcasting, downcasting, method overloading, polymorphism. If time permits, we can go to the abstract class. Thank you so much.